How should you position yourself in this last 1 hour of trade or last 45 minutes? Gaurav Bissa joins in with some closing strategies. Gaurav, before I ask you about individual stocks, wanted your take on the index itself. Is this merely short covering that will get sold into, or do you think a bottom has now been formed at that 8,000 level?
No, good afternoon. It's some amount of short covering, but I would not say it's a very significant short covering. The reason being that if you look at the advent of this is the current series, the total OI portions have not been very significantly large. About 5 to 6 lakh portions at the max have been added net OI. So I feel it's just a stock specific action that is taking the markets up. Rather, it can be a delta hedging kind of thing. People who have sold call options, 8100, 8200 call options, just because some positive came to the markets and they have just started buying futures to match the delta of 8200 strike call option. This particular thing might last, at least 8200, 8250. We were quite upbeat about Nifty taking a bounce from 8000 odd levels, and gladly we have been correct on that part. 8000 put has one of the highest OI concentration, indicating that even going ahead, this will act as a crucial level. However, at this point, I would not recommend going long in Nifty because the risk reward is not quite favorable. But on dips, around 80, 8100, one can look to go long in Nifty futures for probably targets of 8180, 8200, stop loss of 8050, 8040.
In any case, Gaurav Bissa has been waiting by. The markets are still up and about. So the Sensex is still up 400 points. Gaurav, sorry to keep you waiting. You were telling us about your closing strategies for the last half an hour. What have you identified for us?
The first one would be buy on Voltas. It's a continuation of a call we have been recommending quite aggressively. It's forming a bullish flag formation today. It seems to be coming out of that consolidation phase, the short-term consolidation phase. The breakout is seen with good amount of volumes. 350 is a small-time resistance you can see, and above 350, the stock can catapult by another 3 or 4 percentage points. So I feel one can buy the stock. The target would be 355, again a very conservative target, and the stop loss can be 336. It has already moved, so you can switch over raise the stop losses and play for the higher targets. The second one would be buy on Hexaware. I'm working for a target of 292, keeping the stop loss at 277. This is another stock that has to come out of consolidation. It had seen a small lull for 3 or 4 trading sessions. Short-term average conversion is seen around 275, 278 levels. It's trading above 100 DMA. Volumes are also encouraging. I feel it has a capacity to touch levels of 290, 292 in coming days. And just like Voltas, if it's this is another stock, if it sustains 292, it can touch levels of 305, 310, which is the gap that was which can be filled in coming days. And the last one would be sell on Aurobindo Pharma, the only sell call from my side. It's a continuation of my view. 1300 is a very crucial level. If it's trading below this level, then I feel fresh shorts can be coming, fresh cash-based selling can be seen coming in. RSI and momentum indicators on daily charts still pointing downwards. So I feel it has a probability to head toward levels of 1260 or so. One can keep a stop loss of 1315 and short this stock at current levels.
All right, we'll take a break on that note. Thanks, Gaurav, for those trading